This 5-minute solution will show you how to see current follow request on Instagram. To see your current sent follow request, follow these easy steps. First of all, come to your Instagram profile page and tap on this menu icon and tap on your activity. And here, scroll down and tap on download your information. And here, tap on request a download. And deselect all of these options and only select your Instagram profile and tap on next. And tap on select types of information. And here, scroll down and here you have to select only followers and following. And then tap on next and select a format. I'm selecting HTML. And media quality, I'm selecting high. And then tap on submit request. And it may take up to 4 days to get the download link. So as you can see, I've already received a download link. So I'm going to tapping on download. Once it's downloaded, go to your file manager and tap on downloads. In your download folder, you will get the file you just downloaded. Tap on it. And now it's time to extract the file. So tap on extract. Extract. Once the file extracted, tap on followers and following. And here you will get pending follow request. So you have to open this file. And here you will get your current follow request or sent follow request list. This is how we can find current follow request. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.